Yeah, it may be a couple of days, but at least we're not Wisconsin. I have a friend of mine, he's a meteorologist up there. He's making cabin fever lists for his viewers. It's getting that bad. You know, things like seeing John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt or Bill Twartz in the basement and sing Kumbaya. So maybe we can join in that effort if some of you feel maybe we're a little cooped up today. Although the sun came out, it ended up being a beautiful day despite the cold air that was in place. Right now, a live look from our Birmingham Tower cam, a clear sky. Temperatures in Birmingham at 27 degrees, winds light out of the northwest at around 6 miles per hour. We will notice those winds tapering tonight, so the wind chill won't be quite as biting cold as you wake up tomorrow morning. And I must say, as you send the kids off to the bus stop tomorrow. And look at these temperatures up north. I want to revisit the national map again. Negative 24 in Minneapolis, negative 3 in Omaha, Nebraska. Here in Birmingham, we're at 27. But look up the East Coast. We are colder in Birmingham than in Washington, D.C., New York, and Boston. So that doesn't happen very often. So there's, I guess, a little cold victory for us here in the Deep South today. Check out these temperature changes for us. These aren't actual temperatures. These are how far those temperatures have dropped. That's what the minus sign is for in front of it. So we've dropped 30 degrees in Coleman since this time yesterday, 27 degrees in Jasper, and we are 26 degrees colder right now in Tuscaloosa. Temperatures across the state, we're looking at 20 in Coleman. Our coldest spot, 19 in Gadsden. I even double-checked that reading. That is correct. 31 in Anniston with 27 in Talladega. As we move through time, overnight tonight, those temperatures are going to be drifting down into the upper 20s. Some spots, the lower 20. We're already seeing those teen values in places like Gadsden, and I expect those temperatures to hold in the 20s and even low 30s as we hit daybreak tomorrow morning. So pretty much everyone below freezing. That's why we've been talking about any slick spots that remain on the road right now will refreeze or are already frozen. So you may have to be a little bit careful on that morning commute tomorrow. 11 o'clock, as we near that lunchtime hour, temperatures are actually going to stay below freezing pretty much north of I-20. As we travel southbound, temperatures will rebound just a bit. So highs for the western portion of our viewing area, 39 for our high in Hamilton. Mostly sunny sky there, mid-40s in Vernon, 48 in Greensboro. As we move through central Alabama, it looks like our colder spot will be Coleman at 37, then Hoover at 46, Alabaster at 46 for your high tomorrow. East Alabama, 40s primarily from north to south, but a little bit milder. As milder, it's all relative, right? 48 degrees. Yeah, it's 8 degrees warmer in Alexander City than Center. It feels like a warm-up, folks, but it really will feel like a warm-up as we move into the weekend. Those temperatures this weekend are expected to be back in the 60s, even though there's a small chance of rain. And that's a look at your Storm Team 7-day forecast. Jack.
I'm with you, Ashley.